Howdy guys and dolls, welcome back to my channel. I have officially returned, and I mean it, and I'm here to stay. I am so excited to announce two things, or to talk about two things. First, welcome to my first Makeup Monday video. Yay! So what this means is that every Monday, I plan on posting a video about makeup, anything related to makeup, either if it's me just ranting about makeup trends or whatever comes up on my mind about makeup, or makeup hauls, mini tutorials, mini how-tos, or spotlighting my favorite brands or my favorite products, whatnot. Monday is all about makeup. Now, I decided to do this because a lot of people would message me saying, why don't you do YouTube videos anymore? Which half of my YouTube videos are me ranting. It's like barely about makeup. But I do love makeup. It's a big part of my life. I love it. I don't consider myself a makeup artist. I don't do it professionally. It's not my career, but I just love makeup. I'm a makeup addict. I love talking about it. I love wearing it. I love buying it. So I just decided to just come back to YouTube and just start making videos again because I love it and I love talking and I never shut up. But welcome to my first Makeup Monday, and if you want me to talk about any brand or anything, just let me know. Write me a message or comments or whatnot, or message me on Instagram or wherever you follow me or wherever you can get in contact with me. Do it. So every Monday I will post a makeup video. So look forward to that. I'm so excited. I have so many things I want to talk about. I will not be doing full face tutorials just because that's not my thing. It's never been my thing. If you see all my other makeup videos, they're lip swatches, which are my favorite things to do. Or like if I show you how to do an eyebrow, I already have like half my face ready. I'm not gonna ever just be naked on camera without, not because I don't care if you guys see me without makeup. Makeup tutorials is just not my thing. So I love talking about makeup. I'm good at talking, so I can do that. But I do plan on doing like mini tutorials, like how I do my liquid liner or how I put on my highlighter or whatnot, just random things. It'll be all fun. So every Monday it will be different and you'll have no idea what I will be posting, so I like that. Also, I'm gonna be doing a wig Wednesday, so that's not the second exciting news, but just another video, a weekly thing that I plan on doing, having my Makeup Monday and my wig Wednesday. So every Wednesday I will post about a new video about a new wig I got, or review, or how I put on my wigs, and I'm talking about all that. So yeah, you'll see that on Wednesday. So my second thing I'm so excited about
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gets out of warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell.
So you just saw the Saved by the Bell lip swatch is. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. I love Saved by the Bell so much. I have my Kelly Kapowski shirt on, and I was so excited when Sola Look sent me this package. They're amazing, by the way, but let's just talk about Saved by the Bell really quick. I grew up watching Saved by the Bell all my life. I remember in middle school, before I would go to the bus, my mom would tell me, watch 2 episodes. Like, I wake up, get dressed, eat my breakfast, and then watch 2 Saved by the Bell episodes, and then go to my bus. Because I was dumb and I didn't know how to tell time, obviously, but I knew Saved by the Bell time. But I grew up watching Saved by the Bell. Is one of my favorite shows, and I think I've seen like every episode over 100 times. I'm not even exaggerating. So I was so excited to get this package, and the lipstick swatches, well, the lipstick shades are so beautiful, and it was so fun swatching them. And Kelly, this shade is my favorite. It's more hot pink out in the real life, in the real sunshine. It just pops. I love it. It's my favorite. I love Kelly Kapowski. I was so excited to get this package, and I'm going to show you right now, if you order the lipstick trio package, how it's going to look when you get it. Solalook.com. Make sure to go check that out. They have other amazing makeup I will talk about in a second. So it comes with this amazing Saved by the Bell tissue paper. Oh my gosh. You will get this amazing sticker of the Bayside Beauties. Amazing. And then, I'm not sure if every pack, this was for me. If you want to get the lipsticks, they already came out on February 3rd. So now, just go fun and go shop. Add to cart, my favorite phrase, add to cart. This amazing stock card, sorry, too close. This amazing stock card. I love them. And then this tissue paper, let me say something really quick. Sola Look's detailing to all their products is so beyond incredible. I love them for that. They're so unique. Sola Look is so amazing to the amount of detail they put on their products down to the packaging. I love them for that. Look at this amazing. I'm not throwing this tissue paper away because clearly I'm a hoarder. I need that tissue paper. I need it because someday I might need it. You know, the hoarders say that. Anyways, here the beauties: Lisa, Kelly, and Jessie. Lisa Turtle, Jessie Spano, and Kelly Kapowski. They can all be on your lips. But here is the amazing trio. The best thing about these lipsticks is that they're vegan and cruelty-free. That's awesome. And then you get to have the Bayside Beauties on your lips. I mean, can't get better than that. And this is so beautiful, the packaging. Look at them. And so I'll take out the lipsticks. They come in this little box with a trio. And not only are the shades so beautiful, but the packaging, look at the tops of that. I'm gonna zoom in. Jessie Spano now. So these three amazing metallic liquid lipsticks that are vegan and cruelty free are on sale right now for these trio for $40 on solalook.com. This Jessie Spano is a copper metallic, as you saw, and then the Kelly is like a peachy bright salmon pink. It's definitely very hot pink peachy. And then Lisa Turtle is a very fun, like purpley, burgundy, mauvey, metallic liquid lipstick. They're also amazing. It does not come off. Kiss proof, but I have nobody to kiss, so well, at least they won't get all my kitty's fur, so kiss away. So also, I forgot one important thing that comes in the package when you order these amazing lipsticks. I completely forgot, is the most important thing. So when you order these amazing lipsticks, you get a Bayside Tiger pencil. Another thing I want to mention, trying on the lipsticks, they don't really smell anything, which is completely fine with me. I know a lot of people like complain about lipsticks that some smell really bad, some really smell good. I really don't care. Not all my lipsticks have to smell like cake. I'm not a complete badass. No, but it doesn't smell like anything, and I love the applicator. I'm gonna zoom in. It's so nice. Nice, nice. T-I-G-E-R-S, T-I-G-E-R-S, Bayside. Okay. Go, 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 Bayside. Okay. I'm so excited. Anyways, the look has so many amazing other products. This incredible Dirty Dancing palette. Oh my gosh, it is incredible. And it comes with a lipstick. I am wearing Sola Look Cha-Cha. I carried a watermelon on my eyes, and for this little peachy little number, I'm wearing merengue, and I'm also wearing Kat Von D's extreme highlighter on my nose and here. So fun. Look at that. This is so incredible. Flash dance. What a feeling. Ah. And this is such an amazing contour palette. I'm telling you, Sola Look is so unique. You guys have to check them out. Like, come on. Like, look who wanted to join the Bayside party. Vivi did! T-I-G-E-R-S, T-I-G-E-R-S, go Bayside! This is the Bayside Tiger, the modern one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe. You don't have to, just keep watching my face. Or just keep watching in the hopes that Biffy makes a cameo again. He's like, shut up, mommy. Bye!